Roles and responsibilities of a machine learning engineer at the workplace. Hi, everybody. If you're looking to start your career as a data scientist from scratch, then you are in the right place. In practical terms, the roles and responsibilities of a machine learning engineer are closely related to that of a data scientist. Let's look at the similarities. Both job roles work with enormous quantities of information, and both job roles require extraordinary data management skills. Both job roles also require the ability to execute complex modeling on dynamic datasets. That's it. The similarities end here. Data scientists come up with insights, typically in the form of charts or illustrations. These are then presented to a human audience. Most often, the target audience of machine learning engineers is not humans. Instead, the insights of machine learning engineers are used to train machines to provide better and more accurate results. Let's understand what a machine learning engineer does at the workplace first. A machine learning engineer designs self-running software that automates predictive models. Every time the software executes an operation, it stores the results in its memory. The software then uses those results to perform future operations with a higher degree of accuracy. This is the way the software or machines learn. An everyday example of machine learning is the recommendation algorithm of Amazon, Netflix, and various other consumer-facing services. What happens is each time a visitor searches for a product or watches a video, these websites add finer data points to their algorithm. As a result, the amount of data keeps growing. Over time, the recommendations of the algorithm to website visitors for similar content become more accurate. You need to understand that all the while, there is no human intervention. Considering this primary job role, a machine learning engineer needs to have excellent skills in statistics and programming. Only then will they be able to build efficient and powerful self-learning applications. Today, I will share with you some valuable tips on the various roles and responsibilities of a machine learning engineer at the workplace. Let's look at the key responsibilities of a machine learning engineer. A machine learning engineer combines knowledge of software engineering with machine learning expertise. Hence, the most essential responsibilities of a machine learning engineer include performing statistical analysis and applying the results to improve models, training and retraining machine learning models and system models as required, researching, designing, and developing machine learning models, schemes, and systems, running machine learning experiments and tests, developing deep learning or DL systems for different use cases based on the needs of the organization, studying, converting, and transforming data science prototypes, searching and choosing the most appropriate data set, finding data sets online that could be used for training, analyzing the most relevant machine learning algorithms that could be applied to resolve a given problem and ranking them in the order of their success probability, understanding the main objectives of the organization and developing models that are capable of achieving them, managing the various resources of the organization, such as data, personnel, the hardware systems, so that the project deadlines are fulfilled. Analyzing and improving existing machine learning algorithms. Enhancing existing machine learning libraries and frameworks. Exploring data to gain a better understanding of it. Visualizing data to gain deeper insights. Verifying the quality of the data and ensuring high quality through data cleansing. Supervising the process of data acquisition closely, especially if more data is required. Identifying subtle differences in data distribution that could adversely affect the performance of the data models in real-world situations. Defining validation strategies and making business recommendations. Understanding when new findings can be applied to organizational decision-making. Now that you've looked at the roles and responsibilities of a machine learning engineer, let's see the courses you'll need to pursue to become a machine learning engineer. How to become a machine learning engineer. The machine learning courses on the AI Sciences platform provide you with a solid foundation in machine learning algorithms, neural network architectures, natural language processing, probability and statistics, data modeling and evaluation, and Python. We have a detailed course on the AI Sciences platform that covers A to Z of data science and machine learning. We also have a short course on machine learning. Name of the course? Mastering the A to Z of Data Science and Machine Learning. 629 lessons. This in-depth learning course covers the essential elements of data science and machine learning in great detail. Name of the second course: Mastering Python Machine Learning from Scratch, 34 lessons. This Learning by Doing course covers machine learning from scratch. Name of the third course: NLP, Natural Language Processing in Python for Beginners, 232 lessons. This detailed course will teach you how to apply different NLP techniques using the TensorFlow and Keras libraries for Python. Name of the fourth course: Statistics and Probability with Python Explained for Beginners, 123 lessons. This short course will give you an expert grip on the concepts of statistics and probability with Python. If you're interested in learning more about becoming a machine learning engineer, then be sure to check out our courses at the first link in the description. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you to start your machine learning and AI career and more. Check out this playlist of our machine learning lessons and see you in the next video. Take care.